Hey guys, maybe I'm just new to the ARs and this is a known fact, but it would really help me out if I knew this beforehand. So as you know, AR iron sights have two apertures. So one is the small one for precision shooting, and the big one, which is probably for close range engagements. But what I want you to know is that this is not good for any precise shots, even at 25 yards. The problem is that just because you can change the position of your head, you can get a lot of parallax and your shots will not be where you are aiming. Ask me how I know. So the moral of the story, if you need to make a shot that counts, just use the small aperture.